This is the Anticaster wireless volume knob, and it is very sharp. It's very heavy. It's got LED lights underneath there, RGB lights that light up when you turn it. One little input right there for USB-C connection. Comes with USB-C to USB-A cable. Let me show you a closer look at this. So this is the gunmetal color, the anodized gunmetal that it comes in. It comes in other like cream, white, a rose gold and a black base, and then a red knob and a white base. A bunch of different color options. This one, it looks as sharp as I thought it would when I got it. I was very impressed with it. The thing I like about this, obviously this could just be a volume knob, but you can download some software that make it programmable to do other things. I got it because I just wanted something that felt substantial. So let me show you the other thing that I use. This is the Logitech volume knob that came with my Creative Console by Logitech, and it's great, but it is plasticky. It's more expensive, but plasticky. And this is weighty, and importantly, this is just a fine-tuned nitpicking detail. This is just a smooth, it just glides, it's smooth. There's no resistance. You can't really tell when you're moving forward. This has little grooves like you're clicking. It's not a clicking sound, but you can feel a little as you're going through the dial. I really like and prefer the feel of this when I'm turning it. So that is the difference between what you get here and what you get here. Programmability, you can do a lot with this. I mean, obviously this has more buttons and features and stuff, so it's not exactly a one-to-one comparison, but just wanted to give you an idea. Size-wise, there's what they are compared to each other. I would highly support this being purchased if you just need especially if you just need a volume knob, because this is great for just single use, works out of the box. You don't have to do anything, fiddle with anything else, and it feels awesome. I mean, I really do like how it feels just having this as a high-class volume knob on my desk. Do you need it? Maybe not, but it feels great. Hope that's helpful for you. There it is again, the Anticaster gunmetal color volume knob. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.